I'm always blown away when we walk into a facility that's either using Canary or they're setting up a proof of concept and it's their first time kind of going through it. And you see just how impactful it can be. To walk into a control room and see dozens of screens showing Axiom. That's really powerful for me, and I think for Ken, for Sean, for Mark, whenever we go out and see people, it's like, this is why we do it. It's ultimately so that our customers can make the most of their data.
We don't have a lot of industry experts that work at Canary here, so we rely on our partners or our end users to help tell us what they need to do their jobs effectively. Sometimes that means we actually go out and sit with some clients or sit with partners and watch them do their job and try to use our software. I would say a lot of things that we've done around asset templating, asset modeling, we're a direct result of working with end users or watching them use our software and try to come up with ways to make it more effective and more powerful for them.
We realized that in order to multiply our efforts without having the need to go and hire large amounts of sales and support like our competitors had, we could go to market through partners and basically multiply our efforts through their efforts. We've established a really good partner program now where we have well over 120 partners globally. We're now in well over 70 countries.
We can't be everywhere and everything to everybody, but they come back and say, here's what we need, here's what our customers are asking. That's one of the things. In order to keep our company nimble, small, we have to develop partners, work with the partners.
It's not unusual to say, to have people say, I have a meeting tonight at 10 o'clock because it's on the other side of the world.
We have regular meetings with our system integrators, making sure that we're aware of what's in their project pipeline, making sure if they have RFPs they're responding to, they get best practices and kind of the best answers we can provide. Any demos or proof of concepts that they need to spin up, we can help them set up those environments. You'll hear us talk a lot about how Canary's one big family, because in many ways we are. But the integrator community that we serve, and specifically our Canary partners, are an extension of the Canary family, because in many ways they are the connection that our end users have to Canary. And so we want to make sure that we can lift them up and empower them. And those conversations, when they take place in person, I think just strengthens the bonds and the relationships that we have with these integrators, and it gives the customer trust that we are invested in their long-term success.